Good morning students, welcome back to the maths class. Last class we have seen 5.5 exercise, first sum. Now we will move on to the second subdivision. Construct the following rhombuses with the given measurements and also find their area. So in this sum also, one sum I will give it as homework. Remaining three sums I will do it, especially 1, 2 and 4 I will do it as now, and third sum you do it as a homework. Now we'll start from the first sum. First of all you have to write the given. Let FACE be the rhombus, FA equal to 6 cm and FC equal to 8 cm. Here one side, one diagonal is given, and we'll see how to do the sum. First you have to draw the rough diagram. So you have to draw a rough diagram like the rhombus FACE, and every sides are equal. So 6 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm, and the diagonal FC equal to 8 cm. We'll see how to draw a fair diagram. So fair diagram, first you have to draw the 6 cm. That is FA is equal to 6 cm. After that, take the compass. So now we have to draw the FA 6 cm and take 8 cm, that is FC equal to 8 cm, and from F you draw an arc, and then now take 6 cm, that is all the sides are equal, no? That's why FC is also 6 cm, cut the previous arc. So mark this point as C. That means FC equal to 8 cm and FAC is equal to 6 cm. You will get a triangle like this. Now take the 6 cm, keep it on C, draw an arc, and keep it on F, draw another arc. You mark this, you join the lines, you will get FACE is a required rhombus. FACE is the required rhombus. Every measurement is 6 cm. All the sides are equal and the diagonal is 8 cm. So now we have to find the area of the rhombus FACE. In order to find the area of the rhombus, we want half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. That is the formula for the rhombus. Half into D1 into D2 square units. Here D1 is 8 cm and D2 is 9 cm. We have to find that also. So substitute half into 8 into 9. This you can cancel it. 36 centimeter square is the answer. Copy down children. We'll move on to the next question. Now we will move on to the second question. CAKE, where CA equal to 5 cm and angle is given. Angle A is equal to 65 degree. Given, let CAKE be the rhombus and CA equal to 5 cm. Angle A is equal to 65 degree. We have to draw the rough diagram. Draw a rough diagram like this. CAKE, where CA equal to 5 cm and angle A equal to 65 degree. We'll see how to draw the fair diagram. Draw a line segment 5 cm, that is CA equal to 5 cm, and take protractor, take 65 degree, mark this in 65 degree. Like this you mark it 65 degree and draw a ray and mark this as 65 degree. Now from A you take 5 cm and cut an arc, and from here you cut another arc for 5 cm, and also from C you cut the previous arc. Join all the lines. Let CA, K and this point be E. If you join this, you will get CAK is a required rhombus. This is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So this is the required rhombus. Now we want to find the area. In order to find the area, we want to join the diagonals. Join the diagonals and measure and write it out. What is the measure of this diagonal is? This is nothing but 5.5 centimeter, and measure of this diagonal is 8.5 centimeter. So using these measures, we are going to find the area of the diagonal, area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus. The formula is half into d1 into d2 square units. So which is equal to half into 5.5 into 8.5. So if you substitute the value and you simplify it, you will get 46.75 by 2. It is 23.37 centimeter square. Now we will move on to the next question. Subdivision 3, LUCK, luck. You have to try it in your own, just to see the example sum and try it. Now we will move on to the fourth subdivision, PARK, park. PA equal to 9 centimeter and P is equal to 70 degree. We will see how to draw the diagram. Now given, let PARK be the rhombus. PA equal to 9 centimeter, angle AP is equal to 70 degree. So we have to draw a rough diagram. How we have to draw the rough diagram? So draw the rough diagram like this, and diagonal is, we have to draw the diagonal also. Now PARK, park is given. So PR is nothing but 9 centimeter, and this full length is 70 degree. Full measurement is 70 degree. So half of this is 35 measures. So we have to mark this center point as O, and so these are all the given things. You have to mark it in the rough diagram. Now we will see how to draw the fat diagram. So in fat diagram, first we have to draw the diagonal. It is 9 centimeter, that is PR. PR is 9 centimeter. Now keep the protector on P. Take 35 degree above the line and also 35 degree below the line using the protector. If you add all the total thing of this 35 plus 35, you will get 70 degree. It's our measurement of P, angle of P. So you draw a ray like this, and also from below the line you draw another ray, call this as X and Y. Similar way, if you measure this, you will get 70 degree. If you keep it on P in the lower angle, you will get 70 degree. Similar way, you have to do it in the right hand side also, because in rhombus opposite angles are equal. So here also you have to take 35 degree, and below the angle, below the line, you have to take another 35 degree measurement. So now you have to draw another rays which should passes through this 35, and also here it should passes through the 35 angles. Now these two rays, this is 35 degree, and here also it is 35 degree. Using the protector, you have to take 35 degree, and here also it is 35 degree. Now if you join these two rays, it will meet at PA. This point is A, or K. This point is K. Now you have to measure it. This is 9 centimeter, and this diagonal is, you can draw a diagonal here and measure it. It is nothing but 6.5 centimeter. Using these measures, we are going to find the area of the triangle, rhombus. Area of the rhombus, PARK is equal to half into D1 into D2 square units, which is equal to half into 9 into 6.5, which is equal to, so you will get half into 9 into 6.5. 9 into 6.5 is 58.5. So this 58.5, if you divide it by 2, you will get 29.25 centimeter square is the area of the rhombus. The third subdivision, you use the example sums, look at this as reference and draw the third sum as homework. Thank you children, we will see you in the next class.